आनी आतां खबरो विस्तारान. ब्रेस्तारा आमदार रोहन खंवटे नाफ्ता वेसलाक लिकेज आसा म्हूण आरोप केल्लो. हातूंत कांयच तथ्य ना म्हूण मंत्री लोबोन स्पश्ट केलां. तशेंच शुक्रारा नाफ्ता वेसलाची पळोवणी जाली. RDX खातीर दोनापावलच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
See the ship, there is no leakage of oil or diesel. First of all, we were thinking when the ship came on the first day or before it could arrive also, if it hits the rock, there would be oil spillage, which is not there in this case. There is no spillage of oil, there is no spillage of diesel. The tanks which are in the middle of the ship are containing naphtha. It is dangerous. We are not denying that. It has to be unloaded in another ship and then taken and put it in the main ship which will be arriving over here.
So the damage hui zale ship hui lagle te full there 4 peak or half peak
around the side wing tanks.
Side wings tanks.
Damage जी जाल्या ही डॅमेज ही शिप हिंगा धरून ते कोत्तले सारकी एमपीटीनूच वतले पूण पयली नाफ्ता काडपाक जाय. आमचो कन्सर्न नाफ्ता काडली जाल्यार शिप ते पूल कोत्तले. सो बोथ दीज ऑपरेशन्स विल बी गिवन टू दॅट सेम कंपनी. की नाफ्ता लीक जाले, नुस्तें मेले, हे सगळी फकाणां तेंच्यांनी 2 नुस्तीं मारून उडयल्या आणि ते लोकांक दिशाभूल करूंक सोदता. लोकांक हे करता.
So what is the condition of the tanks now?
Yeah, there is no oil spill physically seen in the first 5 days also when we were monitoring this vessel. MPD चे tugboats येल्लो, they were right around this vessel. There was no oil spill. So practically we have to only unload the naphtha from this ship to the next ship which will be coming. आमची व्हडली एक बोट येवपाची आहा धाकटी आणि ती व्हरोन दुसऱ्या शिपान घालपाची आहा. एक शिप भायर रावतली व्हडली वचली आणि त्या टँकांनी व्हरोन घालतले ते.
पूण ते सिंगापूरचे एका बीड्स केन्ना ओपन करतले तुमी?
ना ह्याच दिसांनी जावपाचे आहा ते. सो इट इज डायरेक्टली DG शिपिंग आणि MPD कोत्ता ते बिकॉज इट इज विदिन देअर ज्युरिस्डिक्शन अँड इट इज विदिन देअर परव्यू. तेंची हे ते.
So what is the role of captain of ports?
Our role is only to monitor and if there is any oil spill we will contain it by आम्ही ते boom barrier घातल्या पहिले आम्ही घातल्या तेनी
So the DG shipping or MPT?
DG shipping and MPD तेंचे हितूनसून हे जावपाचे आहा. आम्ही सांगला तेंका आमकां बेस्ट जाय म्हणून. गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर has said, even I have told MPD that we want the best. We don't want anybody coming and unloading it in some vessel and then something else happening over here.
So what is?
We don't want another tragedy like what has happened to River Princess over here.
So what is
this
the condition of naphtha tanks now? So
naphtha tanks, there is no problem. They had gone inside and checked it. So there is no problem of naphtha tanks at all.
So funche kai itula tank ada is the center tank, so what is?
No, there are in the middle there are tanks.
Yeah.
And in those
Port
tanks
or
there is
starboard
naphtha.
side, which side?
Yeah.
We know.
No, right in the middle.